Welcome and join us for our 4th annual May the 4th crossover event as we celebrate all things Star Wars. Let us reflect on the timeless wisdom encapsulated in those 6 powerful words, "May the Force be with you." For some, it's a reminder of the strength within, urging us to rise above challenges. To others, it's a call to embrace destiny's unknown path. Yet to others, it's a whispered promise of resilience in the face of adversity. Share with us your thoughts and connect with each of these creators over the next 2 days to share your experience. Remember, the Force is not just something to witness on screen, it's a guiding light within us. So gather your friends and summon your inner Jedi and join us on this epic quest. May the Force be with you. May the 3rd and 4th be with you too. Check for your local times and the creators in this event.